guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here, just jumping on really quick to do our Art Witch August giveaway. You guys, Art Witch August was so much fun. We made so many cool things, so many colorful things, and I had such a great time. Also, several lovely, beautiful, awesome people joined me in the challenge, so I got to see a bunch of beautiful, awesome, amazing things get made too. So there was a lot of cool stuff. I can't possibly pick a favorite, but everyone made such cool things. And I think the fun thing about this one is that everyone went in like wildly different directions on how to interpret the prompts and the challenges, and I love that. It was really fun, and it was challenging though. Adding in the color challenges did make this challenge challenging. I know, just really high concept wordplay, but here we are. So I am here to do the giveaway drawing. So before I do that, I know you guys are anticipating, you want to know who won the giveaway. What I did was put everybody's names who finished the challenge, did all the hashtags, made sure I saw it, all the things. I put it in this cup, in the wooden sloth cup of victory. But before I do that, I'm going to tell you who it was, who participated, and then just make sure that you guys all know that I will be adding on the end cap of the end of the video, the playlist. It'll also be in the description box below so that you can see all the videos for all the cool people who make. So in no particular order, literally just the order that I found it in, here's everyone who joined the Art Witch August challenge. We had Amethyst Raven, Odds and Ends, Mystical Misty, PewDiePie Designs, Gwen the Trash Witch, Sylvia D, and then on Instagram, so not on YouTube, so you will not find them in the playlist, we got Val_Quitrow, and I'm butchering that, I know for sure. And then we have Candace Curiosities. So I will link everybody in the description box below who participated in case you want to go just check out their channels. Maybe you saw their videos for Art Witch August already, but you haven't seen all the other cool stuff they do. I'm going to link their channels so you can see that, and then I will put the handles for the people who participated on Instagram so that you can check out their pages and see all the cool, wonderful, artsy, crafty things that they get up to too. So that being said, let's pick a winner. So, the magical cup of sloth, who wins today? Let's see. How do I fold it like this? Ooh, Amethyst Raven, you are a winner, and you know how to contact me, so I'm not even going to say all the things I normally would say. Message me, and I will get your prize out to you. Yeah, congratulations, congratulations! You are the winner of the challenge that wasn't actually winnable, but had a giveaway, so you won that. And since Smokey is now sitting on the light, I think that's my cue to get out of here. So I'm going to jump off here. I'm already working, if you can't tell by my inky fingers, on the next one, you guys. So that's coming up here pretty soon. I want to get that together for you as quick as possible so we can get on to some more crafty fun. So stay tuned. I got more stuff coming up. I got other things that aren't challenge-based, but I got a challenge coming up, because these little tiny mini challenges give me life. So yeah, that's going to be it for me, you guys. I will get you all on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your faces. Make sure that you blow up Amethyst in the comments below and tell her congratulations, because hooray! And that's going to be it, guys. Happy crafting. Bye!